The Indian stock markets bled in the opening session today amid the imposition of tariffs by US President Donald Trump on China, Canada and Mexico. The Nifty index declined by 0.9%. The rupee depreciated 67 paise to hit a record low of 87.29 against the US dollar in early trade this morning after Trump tariffs on Canada, Mexico and China has triggered fears of a broad trade war. My colleague Sakshi joins us with more details. Sakshi, take us through the impact on Indian indices.
Absolutely. The Trump tariff scare offsetting the budget boost. That really is what this means for Indian markets. We have seen the Nifty and the Sensex slump 1% in trade. We've seen all sectoral indices trade weak in this session. And we've also seen the volatility index surge past the 5% mark. For the first time ever, we've seen the Indian rupee, the Indian currency, trade past 87 to the dollar. So that really is the impact ever since we've seen the US dollar consistently surge since these tariffs have been announced. So, of course, the impact being felt as far as Indian markets are concerned, and crucial to remember here that this really has offset the budget boost that our markets and our currency would have witnessed otherwise. So that's crucial to note here as well. When NDTV has been speaking to analysts and experts across the board, they feel that, look, investors are being cautious. They're really in wait and watch mode as to how this pans out globally, really, when major economies are potentially going in for a tariff war, as it were. And of course, there's trade tension that's emerging for major economies. So we have seen global markets also being rattled. We've seen Asian markets slump anywhere between 1 to 3% in early trade. We've also seen Dow futures indicate a weak opening session for the US markets later this evening. The Dow futures tumbling over 450 points. So global markets really being rattled by, of course, this potential trade war, as it were.